Hello friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we'll be solving one very interesting question from system of equations. We have 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z equal to 2010 and x plus y plus z equal to 3 over 670 given that x, y, z are positive real numbers. So let's get started by writing here equation 1, writing here equation 2. I will be solving this question in 3 ways. So let me write here method number 1. Here we are going to use Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. Here we have x, y, z positive reals. So we will multiply these two brackets x plus y plus z will multiply with 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z. This product must be greater than or equal to x times 1 over x plus y times 1 over y plus z times 1 over z whole square. Now x over x is 1, y over y is 1, z over z is 1. So we can write this should be greater than or equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 whole square, or greater than or equal to 3 square, or we can write should be greater than or equal to 9. Now we have equation number 2, value is 3 over 670. So here we can write 3 over 670. Equation number 1, value is 2010. So we have to multiply these two. Now 2010 over 670, this is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 cannot be greater than 9. 9 is equal to 9. So we will conclude from here, through this inequality, x over 1 over x, this must be equal to y over 1 over y must be equal to z over 1 over z. Or we can write x square is equal to y square is equal to z square. For x, y, z belongs to positive real, we'll write here x equal to y equal to z. Once x equal to y equal to z, we are going to plug in equation 2. So I can write here x plus y plus z equal to 3 over 670. Then we'll be writing x plus x plus x equal to 3 over 670, or 3x equal to 3 over 670. Now we can divide both sides by 3 and we can get the value of x 1 over 670. Now x is equal to y is equal to z. We will write our ordered triplet x, y, z 1 over 670, 1 over 670, 1 over 670. This was using Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. Now we will take up method number 2. Here we will be using AM greater than or equal to HM inequality. So we can find the value of AM. As we know, it is the average of all the three numbers. So I will write here AM value. Let's find out. We will get x plus y plus z divided by 3. This is our AM. As per our equation 2, numerator is 3 over 670. Denominator is 3. We will get 1 over 670. This is the value of AM. Now we will calculate HM, harmonic mean. Value will be 3 divided by the reciprocal sum. 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z. Now from our equation number 1, we can write denominator would be 2010, which will give us 1 over 670. Now AM equal to HM. We'll write here equality holds true. So we will conclude either x equal to y equal to z, or we can write 1 over x equal to 1 over y equal to 1 over z. So from here I can use equation 1 or equation 2. Let us use equation 1 this time. 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z equal to 2010. Now 1 over x equal to 1 over y and equal to 1 over z. So I can write from here 3 over x equal to 2010, 2010. So from here I can get x equal to 1 over 670. I can write here x over 3 will be equal to 1 over 2010. So x would be 1 over 670. Now I can use x equal to y equal to z. So our answer is ready. X, y, z. This should be equal to 1 over 670, 1 over 670, 1 over 670. This was method number 2. Now we will take up method number 3. In this method, we are going to use AM greater than or equal to GM inequality. So let us find AM greater than equal to GM for both the values. So let me write here x plus y plus z over 3. This must be greater than or equal to cube root of x, y, z. Now we can multiply both sides of this inequality by 3. So I can get x plus y plus z. This should be greater than or equal to 3 times cube root of x, y, z. Again, we will use AM greater than or equal to GM inequality for 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z. And in the similar way, we will get here 3, and then we will consider cube root. Here we will be writing 1 over x, y, z. Now we have to multiply these two equations. So let's multiply both the equations. We'll get x plus y plus z times 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z. This must be greater than or equal to 3 times 3 is 9. Cube root of xyz divided by cube root of xyz, value will be 1. Now this is same as method number 1. Now I will plug in x plus y plus z, 3 over 670, 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z, 2010. So let me write here 3 over 670 times 2010. This should be greater than or equal to 9. We'll get 9 greater than or equal to 9. So equality holds true. AM equal to GM. This will be only possible if x equal to y equal to z, or 1 over x equal to 1 over y equal to 1 over z. So we'll repeat the same steps and get the final answer 1 over 670, 1 over 670, 1 over 670. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.